In the last video, I finally completed the floor in preparation for new carpet. I ended up purchasing the TMI 20-piece set, which I would rank as reasonable in value for money. Each piece fits where it's meant to, but you will need to cut out all the openings like the gear stick, handbrake and heater knob. I spent some time establishing a center line, which I then used as a reference to create the template for these openings. The quality of the carpet isn't great, and I found I had to seal the edges by carefully burning it, especially where I created new cuts. This is to avoid it falling apart. With the underlay, I opted for a fairly cheap thermal sound deadener from eBay. I liked it because it was thin enough to shape itself to the many curves that Karmann has. It also has an adhesive side which appears to hold it pretty well. I used a spray adhesive to stick the carpet to this underlay. I'm happy with the end result. There are a couple of sections that will need improving, especially where I put my clutch cable access point.